UH students are having a global impact by studying, conducting research, and teaching English around the world. 10 UH students earned Fulbright scholarships this academic year from the U.S. government's flagship International Educational Exchange Program, earning UH the recognition as a Fulbright Top Producer now 2 years in a row. Lithium-ion batteries are transforming the world from portable electronic devices to electric vehicles. Now UH researchers have developed a novel microscope that offers real-time views of the battery electrode surface that determines performance. The new tool could have significant implications for the next generation of batteries. Double the Cougar Spirit at the Houston Zoo. UH's new live mascot, Shasta VII, alongside brother Louie, made their official public debut in a temporary habitat. The 5-month-old cubs will eventually move into the cougar habitat once they're big enough. In the meantime, guests can enjoy seeing the young cougs explore their new home.